All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to I-305, the final construction update. Wah, wah, wah. That's right. Now that track is complete at I-305. We are no longer going to be coming down here every Tuesday to do updates. Because, frankly, there's not going to be much visually changing on the ride. So, yeah, there you go. There's the finishing touches that's been put up on the ride to complete the circuit. Is that hill right there. As you can see, we're at the bottom of the first drop. Woo! Yay! The second hill. Awesome stuff. Let's go walk around. We'll go check out what's going on. All right, this is really awesome. You can see the track going there through the spaghetti bowl. And boom, that right turn. Boom, the left turn. And right turn again. It's like skiing down a mountain. Is that the right analogy? Skiing down a mountain? Swish, swish, swish. Maybe. Look at how tiny the support is. Look it, it's so tiny. I just stepped in a mud puddle. Oh, I'm sinking in the mud puddle. Dang it. Why didn't somebody tell me there was mud puddles there?
Hey Clint, there's mud right there by the ice.
Yeah, thank you very much. Anyways, look at how tiny the support is. There's actually two tiny ones. There's this one. That one is super tiny. Look at that sucker. Anybody want a POV shot? Let's go get the POV shot. There you go. POV shot. It's like Pee Wee Herman's Playhouse right there. Oh, look at how pretty it looks. Now this is something you don't really realize when you're watching the video, but when you're going through like this bottom part here, look at how close you are into the supports there. It's just going to be amazing flying by some of these supports at such a high speed. There's another transition that goes underneath the supports and stuff too right there. Maybe we'll get a better angle if we keep walking. Whew, you'll have to forgive me, I'm kind of out of breath here. But just got up on top of the hill. Check out the entrance. It's now really looking good. You got the entrance there. Going into the entrance plaza. This is a foundation to the gift shop, because all rides have to exit through the gift shop. The winner's circle is going to be right there, I believe. You can't really see because of the sun. That's where it's going to be. You can see all the flatness for Q line, Q line, Q line. And look at how many people are working on the coaster at this point. People in the station, people underneath, people up here. They are working hard on getting all that electronic stuff. Alright, in the final shot of the final update here at King's Dominion for I-305 construction, the lift hill motor in place. They're going to start getting that the cable in place soon. That is the motor that's going to drive the bad boy. And here's some cool looking pump thing. I don't know what that is. But it has gauges and knobs and stuff on it, so it looks cool. Something under a tarp. The electrical room. They're working on the lift hill, something up there. And the hill. Alright guys, that does it for the I-305 final update from King's Dominion. It has been an awesome ride. with you guys as we did construction tours and stuff, but now that's all in place. Now it's all in place, there's really not much more we can talk about. So, with that said, make sure you keep it to kdfansite.com, the forums. Of course, you'll be the first to know when anything happens. Continue to check out King's Dominion's Intimidator website with webcam and blogs and all that stuff there, including pictures as they continue to get pictures from the site. And as soon as we find out that something's testing, we'll run down and jump in the cheap seats on Doswell Road there and get some video there of whatever we can of testing going on here at I-305. So thank you guys so much for being a part of the journey. And again, kdfansite.com, we're working on events for I-305, including opening day events, Intimidation 2010, the first Saturday in May with ERT, nighttime ERT on Intimidator, Hurl Fest, single riders, all that stuff in the works. So make sure you go to kdfansite.com for all that info. For the final time, see ya!